This super glue trick, I watched a video and the guy didn't actually repair anything. He just put a dot on something and put the baking soda on it and showed that it got really hard. And he explained how he used it and other things, but he didn't actually show it. I have a broken piece and I'm going to try this method to see how it works. Now you got to watch this video to the end because I did have to do it 3 different times in order to make it work and work properly. So I hope you enjoy this video. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Okay, this is my tripod adapter that holds my iPad. Well, it is broken and I tried to super glue it and it didn't hold. So I super glued it and I added tape and it worked for a while until it dropped my iPad the other day. So I ordered a new one, but I ordered a different one and it didn't fit my iPad. So I'm going to repair this one. I saw a video that someone did and they showed a better way to get super glue to work. So I'm going to remove the tape. Okay. Now you can see the split right there. Now I tried super gluing it and it stayed for a short time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the super glue that I had on here. And see if this method really works. I'm going to try a little bit of sandpaper. I'm doing all of this because I originally had super glue on here and I don't want to have any type of situation that's going to make this not work. Okay, so I think I have it cleaned up enough. Okay, so now you just take some super glue. I have a Loctite version. And then a little bit of baking soda. Okay, so squeezing it together. Then I put the super glue on it. Generous amount. And we sprinkle the baking soda on it. And let it dry. It looks like it's dry. Well, that's amazing. The super glue wouldn't work on its own, but with the baking soda, it appears to be holding. Well, okay, that's all the way on. I'm going to pull it back off so I can put the other part on and see how it holds. Okay. Do not touch the super glue with your fingers. I had a little extra fall off, but I'm just going to cover it up so I don't accidentally touch it. Yeah, this one over here is nice and completely dry. Oh, all the way through. So this dries pretty fast. Dries pretty fast. Have a little extra there. I don't want to get my finger stuck on it. Well, I got it coated a little bit better than I did last time. I had just tried to do the crack, and I think it wasn't good enough. I didn't do the two sides like I did this time, and after I put it on the piece, it had it broke. It split right away. So let's try it again. Let's see what happens. Well, I'm having to build it up more. Make sure it's dry enough before you start touching with your fingers, because you don't want to get stuck to this. If you do, then get some acetone or nail polish remover and get it off that way. Well, I'm building this up because the last two times I tried, I tried to put on a little bit, and that doesn't work. Apparently you have to build it up. Because with this problem that I'm having, when I go and I screw this on here, it's putting tension on this quite a bit, more than I thought, but it won't look pretty, but it'll do the job. Okay. They say you can sand it. I'm not going to worry about it because I'm going to be using this Make sure it's dry before you start touching it like I am. All right. Well, if that don't hold it, it's not going to hold it. Let's try it again. All right, it didn't break this time. It stayed. All right, that works like it did before. Like I said, it doesn't look pretty, but it did the job. I tried it several times. I tried just doing the crack. It broke right away. I built it up a little bit. It broke again. So now this time I built it up a lot. 3, 4, 5 times, whatever it was. I just continued to do it. And it's holding. It works. So now I don't have to worry about dropping my iPad. All right. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right. Building with Papa. See you on the next one.